Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a GitHub script. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to run any GitHub script, you will be needing to start creating your workflows or the CI/CD pipelines. And basically scripts working by using the GitHub actions. And to use GitHub Actions, you will be needing to go to repository. So basically, you will find it either from here or you can reach your repository from your profile picture and you go to repository, etc. So after that, you will be able to find here in the top menu these action button. So basically here, you will be able to start adding scripts to your file. So you will go to actions and from here you will find runners, stations, etc. But what we are interested in is the new workflow. So you will need just to start creating workflows and from here you will be able either to start creating flows or pre-built flows. So those are, since this is a Python project, you can use any workflow from here. And basically you can set up your own workflow. And basically you will need just to start editing uh, your scripts. And basically this is the GitHub scripts. And from here, for example, we can choose anyone. So let's do go back and use some pre-built or whatever. So let's just create this one. And basically you can copy and paste the script. And basically you would need just to commit changes. And by committing changes, whenever you are pushing something or pushing some changes or to your repo, the workflow will start uh, created. So let's just commit changes and let it be created and let's just save. And basically now we have this workflow and we can go to our action and basically it needs to have like some actions like jobs run and this one the one that we start creating scripts to run your on your project and basically whenever you are pushing something to your repo or to your project the workflow will be uh, triggered. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.